Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling what you can now, frame the problem so the camera works for you. First, position yourself in soft light, face a window or a 45 degrees key light because lighting sculpts features. Then pick a solid color outfit that fits, busy prints distract. Finally, set posture. Shoulders relaxed, chest open, chin a touch forward. Practice 1 to 2 natural poses while breathing slowly. This builds muscle memory, so you don't freeze when the candid moment hits. Once you've set posture and light, focus on motion and intent. This is where photos stop looking staged. You create believable expressions by running a tiny memory or line of dialogue in your head. It produces a natural smile without overthinking. Make micro movements. Shift weight, tilt your head 5 to 10 degrees, and bring hands to a prop or pocket slowly. Also, glance just beside the lens rather than staring straight at it. This softens your gaze and gives candid energy. To finish, perform small fixes that the camera picks up. Tame stray hair, smooth a wrinkle, and blot any shine. These tiny details read large. Then use a final rhythm. Inhale, exhale, give a gentle smile and hold 1 to 2 seconds. Release and try a relaxed variation. If a shot still looks stiff, troubleshoot by introducing motion. Walk, turn, laugh, because candid movement dissolves tension. Make sure to shoot a burst. Once done, you'll have several usable frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.